Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review BrandBay. It is your digital asset management platform which you can white label so you can share the assets you created with your clients. BrandBay will be especially useful if you would not like to pay for the tools like Brandfolder. So let's quickly take a look at BrandBay features. As I mentioned before, it is an alternative to Brandfolder. So basically, you can organize your brand assets. It will be especially useful if you are running an agency, but for solo creator, it will be useful as well. You can manage different kinds of assets like logos, colors, images, fonts, videos, links, and other type of files. You can organize your assets into collections. Yep, you can manage multiple brands easily, and you can easily switch between multiple brands. There is a browser extension which can help you to populate your assets library quicker. An important feature for such kind of tools is collaboration. So you can manage different permissions, you can add team members, you can invite people to see the assets and have access to the assets that you have uploaded. And there are different license tiers up to tier 6 with more generous storage, but just see for yourself how many brands you would like to manage and how many users you would need. And of course, how much storage you need. And the white labeling feature is available only starting from license tier 3. All right. So let's quickly take a look at the demo of BrandBay. So here it is. I think it will be similar to any other asset management tool, but here you just don't pay monthly, just pay once and forget. So you can organize your assets into folders or collections. You can add new groups. So as an example, I have uploaded several YouTube thumbnails that I've created for my recent YouTube videos. You can have different collections as I mentioned here. And inside collections, you can organize your assets into groups. So yeah, basically, yeah, that's it. So you upload your files and you can have those available. In this case, it is an example of a font. And there are a few more collaboration features. You can add different tags to your assets. You can add notes and you can post comments, which is very useful for this kind of software. And of course, you will be able to search through your collections easily. And you can filter by your tags, of course. And as I mentioned before, you can share your collections using a public access, or you can enable password protected access. So here is the example of a collection in a shareable view, which, for example, you can share with a particular client. All right, so basically that's it about BrandBay. It is a pretty straightforward tool to manage your digital assets. You can have different brands, different collections, so you can organize your creations or creations of your team easily. So if you don't want to overpay for the features that you don't use, and if you are satisfied with the number of features this tool provides, please try it. It is really simple and easy to use tool. Please check the link to BrandBay in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.